Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video where today is something sold for $400. If you want to see what that is, it's gonna be the first thing I show you because I'm just that generous. If we come up to this wall here, you see how we have more of these shelves down here, and that's just for extra storage. They just fit so perfectly I couldn't resist. But yeah, the wall still kind of has like most of the stuff that I had before, but I did find these two Barbie dolls and it's pretty good, to be honest. I got some manga. This is all stuff that you can get from Walmart, but it's still worth a decent amount of money if you sell it and ship it through media mail. I don't believe any of this has any advertising, so I think that's actually good. Got my bowl up there, got my pottery vase on there, and just some more stuff. So I did actually sell these bowls in here, so I'm going to get them out. And then also I sold these plates. All right, there we go. So we sold these bowls and plates. I put the list of the sale up on the screen. I think they're called Royal something. Either way, they're definitely worth picking up if you can get them for like $5 as a set. I just wanted to like reiterate how important these acid test kits are. These are gold acid test kits, and you can get them for about 12 bucks on eBay. The good thing about them is that if you don't know what to do with your extra stuff that looks like gold, and before you throw it away, you can just kind of test it. Most gold will have marks, but some vintage stuff won't. Be surprised what is solid gold out there. So we put this bed vertically and we got rid of two beds. A neighbor needed a bed, a mattress frame. So we were there for that. But this bed is now vertically, so I can put all this stuff over here. So I have my door holder that holds a lot of my glasses and rocks and stuff and my small shipping supplies. I actually have them under here, right there on that wooden post. It's like attached under it. And I also put this on top, and it just has like a little groove right there that slides in there. They're probably going to just put some really small stuff in there and list it well. I got some more purses from auction, which I've showed in earlier videos. My packing supplies are still full to the top. But this is what I wanted to show you. I've had this pegboard for about 6 months and never put anything on here. So I got some shelving that looks pretty good, to be honest. And it holds stuff. I need to get, I got a shoe holder coming in, and where the shoe holder is going to go is probably like up here on top of this bed. and then it'll just be hanging down, and then I can put like all these shoes that I got, because I got shoes there, got shoes down there, I got more shoes down there, shoes right there. I just get them on good deals. And yeah, so I'm gonna be able to stack at least 22 of them.